What's up guys, so over here I have my Nintendo Switch 2, and in this video I will show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to internet Wi-Fi. Now to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on and it is not so far from you. And once that is done, you want to head over to the settings of your Nintendo Switch 2. So just scroll downwards from the home and then scroll horizontally through these menus over here till you get to the system settings. Select that by clicking on A, and then you want to continuously scroll down until you get to the internet settings over here. Select that and then just click on internet settings, and automatically your Nintendo Switch 2 will start to look for available Wi-Fi's and hotspot networks that are close to you. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and look for the name of your Wi-Fi or hotspot network from the list of found networks over here. If you actually want to connect a wired Wi-Fi connection, then you have to go ahead and choose a wired connection over here. But this is only practicable if you're connecting to a TV or an external display that actually requires you to use the docking station, because that is where you will have to connect the wired Wi-Fi using your LAN cable. If you just want to connect to your wireless Wi-Fi network, then you want to scroll down and then just select the name of your Wi-Fi over here. In my case, this is actually the name of my Wi-Fi network, so I'll just go ahead and select it by clicking on A, then proceed to enter your Wi-Fi password. And once you're done entering your Wi-Fi password, you can check if everything is correct by clicking on the show box over here. And if it is correct, you want to just scroll over here and click on the OK button. And now it is trying to connect to my Wi-Fi network. Give it some few seconds. And just like so, I have successfully connected my Nintendo Switch 2 to internet Wi-Fi. If after doing this you're unable to connect to your Wi-Fi network, you can try restarting your Wi-Fi and then just check if there is actually internet access. Sometimes this can actually be the problem if your Nintendo Switch 2 cannot connect to your Wi-Fi or your hotspot network. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.